All right, we got one more skill to go. This is concept 3, solving equations using the nth root. Again, anytime it says solve, you are solving for the variable, you're finding the variable, and in this case it says find the real solutions. So in number 7a, what you want to do to solve for x is first isolate that variable. So you're going to divide by 4 to both sides of the equation, giving you x to the 5th power equals 32. Your next step would be to get to x all by itself by taking the 5th root of x to the 5th power. But if you do it to one side, again, you must do it to the other side of the equation. And what that does on the left-hand side is that cancels the exponent, leaving you just with x. On the right-hand side, you have an even exponent, so I don't even have to worry about the positive negative. It's just one root, right? And then the 5th root of 32 is actually 2. And voila, we solve for x. B is pretty similar, except this time I have that binomial, right? The quantity of x minus 3 to the 4th power equals 21. But same concepts, right? You're going to get rid of that radical by taking the 4th root to both sides of the equation, all but right there. And then you are left with x minus 3 on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you get the 4th root of the square root of 21. And you are going to get a positive and negative because I got that 4th root. You can put it in now, you can put it in later, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it in right now. And what I'm going to do is just real quick to show you that, well, 21 doesn't really factor. 7 and 3, right? Nothing I can do with that, so I'm just going to stay the 4th root of 21. All right, from there, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides to solve for x. That cancels it out over here. X is equal to 3 plus or minus the 4th root of 21. Okay, and that's really it. I do want to just quickly show you that you could put this into the calculator and get a decimal. Not that it's really asking for that, but if you needed, we could, and you would get this 5.14 and 0.86 if you did that. And there is our solution. And this would be our exact answer with the equal sign with the radical. This would be an estimated answer with the decimal. All right. There we go. Go ahead and do number 8 there. Both A and B. I'm going to go ahead and show you the solution. So please pause now before I show you the solution. There we go. 8a is going to be 4, and 8b is negative 3, plus or minus the 4th root of 24, which is approximately negative 0.79 and negative 5.14.